early to mid-60s.
This type of car in which Jack Sears won his second British Saloon Car Championship in 1963.
Yep.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mad Mike Whitted with the Red Bull Mazda. He's the drifting king.
Now, he's got some car control, hasn't he? That's absolutely classic.
It's bonkers, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that. Wow.
He's done a bit of that before,
Yes,
hasn't
he has, hasn't he? Nobody has ever been so sideways around Molecombe. And there's a huge curly number 11 look on the course there. If you're standing up near Molecombe, you'll appreciate just what that was like, and he's still doing it. That's absolutely brilliant. Car number 139, the extraordinary Mazda FDRX7 of Mike Whitted, entered by Red Bull UK.
You know, I'd be very interested to see what that could do in a straight run up the circuit.
Yes.
Because that would surprise.
I think it's not set up to go straight, is it? It'd
I
probably be
wouldn't have
awful.
thought so.
Replay on the screen there of that extraordinary car control from Mike Whitted.